In front of me is a Huawei P30 and I'll show you how to enable power saving mode. So to get started, you can either pull down the menu here and you will see right here ultra power saving mode, and if it's not visible you can tap this little pencil right here and it will be somewhere down here, and you can just drag and drop it there. And from here you can enable either the ultra power saving mode like so and confirm it, and you'll get this one, which is limiting basically everything apart from the essential apps. And if you like to leave it, you can just tap on the button right here to exit and confirm it. Or you can also go through settings, or just hold you can also hold it to go to settings, or if you don't see it there, you can go into settings, and from settings battery right here. And from here you have the option to select or enable the normal power saving mode. And it will also show you the remaining battery, which right now it's 27%, apparently supposed to go for another 12 hours and 45 minutes. But if I check it on and put on enable, it starts going up to 17 hours and 16 minutes, which is okay. Now it will also kind of slow down the notifications and deliver them more in bulk, and probably also slow down a couple processes in the background, and the phone not to like any visible performance, but it will be a little bit, let's say, less if you're trying to play games or whatever on the phone. Okay. And if you want to turn it off, you can just go to the setting again and just flip it back off. So that's how you enable the power saving mode. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.